What's going on, guys? Quick explanation for today's video. I recently rebuilt the transmission on my car, my Acura RSX Type S. This is a 2003, and I went ahead, put in a competition stage 4 clutch, along with like the bearing seals, all that good stuff. And I also put in a wave track limited slip differential. If you didn't know, these cars come open diff, which is, I don't know why they ever did that. But unfortunately they do come open diff. So yeah, not very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a clip in right now of when I tried to launch this thing at the Irwindale drag strip. As you can see there's a lot of wheel spin. Car basically doesn't launch that great. Even though I have like a cool two-step and everything with the K-Pro, the car just doesn't launch good. Also, there's a lot of wheel hop. I also put in recently motor mounts, 75A innovative mounts to be exact. So hopefully that helps with launching the car as well, because yeah, I'm on pretty good tires here and it doesn't make sense why the car isn't launching good. The only things it could be is the wheel hop from the motor mounts and also the limited slip just not giving the car traction. So now that it's installed, I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple launches here. I'm on a road in Mexico. I'm in Mexico. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to get some good launches and hopefully nothing breaks and hopefully we learn something. Hopefully you guys can see something here. My two-step is at 4K, 4,000 RPM, so let's just do it. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Man, it's tough because there's like a slope here. All right, let's go again. Quite a bit of wheel spin. First thing I could say is the motor mounts definitely helped. Oh, there's a van coming down this road. Yeah, the motor mounts definitely helped. The clutch is not going to be useful until I boost the car, but it feels like I have more grip. I already described to you guys in the last video that during corners it feels like the car has a lot more grip. Yeah, during launches it seems pretty good too, and even like when I tripped second, it didn't like, I guess, want to spin as much. I don't know. All right, let's see if we could do like a perfect launch. I'm kind of rolling forward, so it's hard. As you guys can hear, there's still a little bit of wheel spin. This isn't a great surface. I mean, when I was on the track, it was a track prepped, like it was a drag strip, and it had, you know, there's like rubber and stuff on the floor, so that does make a difference. Oh, there's a car here. I don't know where he's going. Where the fuck are you going? Okay. Anyways, all right. I have noticed with this diff too that the wheel kind of wants to go all over the place. It's tough because I have like 0 offset wheels. Not a good thing for drag racing. My Ram truck, holy shit, that's fucking scary. That's a huge truck. this thing all over the road. It just like, it's like this the whole time. All right, this thing still feels pretty sketch. I don't know. I think I helped a little bit. I think. On the sketchometer, this thing is still like a solid 7 out of 10. Before it was like 9 out of 10, but yeah, the stuff I did to it helped a little. I did some steering crap too. I messed with the rack. I think it might be time to just go electric power steering on this thing, because like combination of the torque steer from front wheel drive and the weird rack that these cars have, like with all the problems they have, I think electric power steering will help a lot. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like down below so that I know. If you didn't like it, drop a dislike. Like straight up, just slap a big fat dislike right on the dislike button. That didn't make any sense, but just do it. If you didn't like a video, dislike it, so I know how to make better videos. That's the only way to get better, right? And yeah, thank you to everyone who made it this far, and peace out.